Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will cover which email marketing software is the best for small businesses. So guys, here are some popular email marketing platforms that are well suited for small business. Mailchimp, known for as its user friendly interface. Mailchimp is a popular choice for small business. It offers a free plan for basic needs and scalable paid plans for the advanced features like automation and segmentation. Consult Contact is a user-friendly and offers a variety of the customizable template. It provides features like email automation, social media posting, and contact management. They also offer a free trial period. Cinderblue is known for its affordability and offers a free plan with a basic feature. It provides email marketing, SMS marketing, and live chat functionality. Paid plans are available for a more extensive needs. Number 4, bulk response. Bulk response is a comprehensive email marketing software designed to facilitate the creation, delivery, and tracking of effective email campaigns for business. It caters to business of all sizes and priorities, user-friendly interaction, and a diverse set of features. So guys, this is the official interface of bulk response. So what are the benefits? Number 1, accessibility. Bulk response emphasizes user accessibility through a user friendly interface and an email editor designed for ease of use, catering to users without coding expertise. Personalization, leveraging advanced automation features, businesses can send personalized and targeted campaigns, increasing the relevance of their communication. One of the advantages of the bulk response is its affordability, with the pricing plans starting at just $49 per month. This makes it great option for a small businesses or individuals who want to get started with email marketing without breaking the bank. Bulk response is a positioned as a versatile and user-centric email marketing solution, offering a balance between ease of use and advanced automation. It's particularly suitable for a small business seeking to elevate their email marketing efforts. For the most up-to-date information, users are encouraged to visit the official bulk response websites. Number 5th one is the MailerLite. MailerLite is a simple and cost-effective option for a small business. It offers a free plan with the basic features, and its paid plans are affordable. The platform includes automation, landing pages, and detailed reporting. Number 6, Benchmark Email. Benchmark Email is known for its ease of use and offers a free plan for up to 500 subscribers. Paid plans include advanced features such as automation or A/B testing and integrations option. So why email marketing? Electronic marketing, email marketing is a powerful manner for companies to run vast and international promotions without stressing their marketing sources. No matter with the recognition of a social media advertising and marketing, email remain an effective way to sell commercial enterprise, accumulate new customers, and maintain the present ones. The many stats and figures prove that the electronic mail possesses numerous marketing capability, and groups ought to in no way overlook it as a viable approach for expanding the client base, strengthening the emblem, and improve sales. So guys, this is the Mailchimp because it is a popular. Mailchimp is an advertising automation platform designed and advanced for organizations that use electronic mail to attain out to their goal market. It's by far an all-in-one device wherein you could manage your mailing list, create custom emails template, and nurture and automate your entire advertising campaigns. Organizations looking to leverage email advertising need to tool inclusive of Mailchimp to run their campaigns like well-oiled machine. In this submission, we can speak in the element the importance of electronic mail advertising and marketing and what Mailchimp does. We can also define the distinctive feature of Mailchimp to highlight why an organization wishes this electronic mail automation platform to its electronic mail advertising necessities. So why do you need Mailchimp? Electronic email advertising is not just sending a bulk email to the target market place and looking ahead